Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a new Holland L225 that we just got in. Real nice machine. Has 600 hours on it. I mean, just barely broke in. It's got a long life ahead of it. Tires are just pretty much brand new. I got joystick controls. Get you a look on the inside. Not one tear in the seat. I mean, nice machine. Got the back window still in it. Got its lights, auxiliary hydraulics. Look at those tires. Nice bucket. Just a nice machine all the way around. I just kind of walk around it so you can get a good look at it. I mean, it's been well maintained. I mean, all the grease certs have grease on them. Been taken care of. You notice it's the Super Boom. It's going to give you a lot of height. You know, the way it lifts, you're really going to like it. Anyway, there's your good look at the machine. I'm going to have my son Seth get in it and run it for you just to show you how it runs. Starts right up. See how it lifts straight up. Good tight pins. Say the machine only has 600 hours on it. Good strong hydraulics. Got the 2-speed, and that is a sweet machine right there. Anyway, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. Sorry about all the dust. Anyway, you can see all of our machines by going to our website, texasskidsteer.com. We're located 20 miles west of Fort Worth, Texas, in Springtown, Texas. You can call us at 817-726. Call us at 817-220-0100. That's 817-220-0100. Go to our website, texasskidsteer.com. Look at all the machines that we have for sale. We got a whole lot of attachments for you to choose from, and a lot of other skid steer. A little bit of everything. Give us a call. Thank you all for watching. Y'all have a great day.